Okay, so I just took my Doctrine and Covenants to the copy store, and now I'm going to have a cute gal just cut it. Watch this. Boom! And it's done. It's so cool. Okay, so now that I have it all cut out, the Doctrine and Covenants, it's all cut out. I took off the top, and I'll take off the bottom. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to punch it with the Happy Planner punch it, or I have the this kind. It's heavier duty, and it's called Levenger, and it will cut through more pages than the Happy Planner will. And the only reason why I got it was because I was doing the Book of Mormon, and so I had to cut through a lot of pages. But if it was just me, this costs quite a bit more, so I would just do it with a Happy Planner. But all you do is you slip it in the Happy Planner punch thing, or this one. And I'm just going to set it so it's just right. And then you just punch it. And then it's all set to put into the discs. Okay, it's all ready to go now, so all I do is I put in some of the pages, and I just clamp down on it, and then it punches the holes. Okay, so you just go through the whole book. I think that, I don't know how many pages it does at a time, but that's all I do. And then just put it together over there. Then I'll show you what to do next. Be sure to punch it on the side that has and it fits pretty well, just right up to the edge of the words, which is really nice. I was afraid that maybe it'd be too small, but it's not. And I think the Happy Planner one is even a little bit shorter span-wise. Okay, so now it's all punched and ready to be put in the discs. Now the difference between this, I just bought it at Deseret Bookstore, and it was only like $15.99, something like that, which is really great. You couldn't even get it printed for that little. And they already have it in the wide margin and all that kind of stuff. Now it doesn't have the cute font that I have in the Book of Mormon that I sell on Etsy, but that's okay. I decided it was just fine, because I've always thought that, you know, as we follow along with the Come Follow Me, we're still supposed to be reading the Book of Mormon, so I know you need to get a Book of Mormon too, so go ahead and get one of those. But this is what I did. I went to the copy store, I had the binding chopped off, and then I punched it. Now I like to use the big size discs of the Happy Planner. They're called the expander size. I like to do that because then it has room to expand, and you can add stuff, you can add pages if you want to, all that kind of stuff. It's really very fun. So I think they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colors. So there's 8 spots, so just add 2 more, whatever you want, you know, however you want to do it. Yeah, so that's how you get it started. You punch them all, you put in the things, the discs, and then you just get a little stack more, and you just line it up. I just line it up at the bottom, and then you just start pressing them in. As you get in farther, it's easier and easier. But I don't know if you can see very well, but you just push them in to the rings. And then just get a little bit more. And it should all just go in really nice. It's not hard. And this way you can have your pages so that you can take them out and work on them and then put them back in. And one thing I was thinking that I would do that sounded fun is that in the Gospel Library, online, you can read it in chronological order, and a lady at the copy store was telling me that it's a really good way to read the Doctrine and Covenants is reading it in chronological order, and that it makes all the difference in the world. And I was like, I've never done that before, so maybe I would try that this time. And this way you could, because you could pull it out and put it in chronological order to start with if you wanted to. So I just thought that might be a fun way to do it. I don't know what they're doing for Come Follow Me, but they skip around a little bit, I think. What do I know? But see how it gets easier once they're kind of all set. You just press them in. I'll fast forward this part so you don't have to watch me doing this, but I put kind of a lot in that time, so kind of getting impatient, I guess. And I did just design a cover to put on this, and I just did it here on my printer. If you would like the PDF for it, I can send that to you, and then you just cut it, and then I have it laminated with the heavy lamination. And if you don't have any of that, it's 10 mil, and you have to go, if you go to the copy store, they will have it. Or even I found here the UPS store had it, 10 millimeter. So you have to tell them the really heavy stuff, and then you just have it laminated in that, and then you cut it, and then you punch it, and then you can just put it on. Look at that, it's all ready to go. It wasn't that much work. And then the cover, I did. I designed just this Doctrine and Covenants and the Pearl of Great Price, and it has these cute angels on there. And then I just used some scrapbooky paper on the back and on the inside. So you can make your own, design your own if you want to, and just go have it copied. But if you want to have the PDF, I will make it available for you. I think I'll put it on the website, www.scripturefun.com, and I will put it on there, and then you can just download it. I'll just do it for free, not a big deal. And if you like it, I think it's kind of cute. If you have any suggestions, I can do something else. Anyways, I think it turned out really cute, and that way I'm just all ready for this year's study. And you can, just a reminder that you can pull out the pages, decorate it, do whatever you want to do to it, and then just put it back in. So fun. I just love these Happy Planner discs, and I hope you will enjoy it too. Thanks.